What I think GM likes about this case is just that there's so much going on in this case that isn't about failures in their cars. It's about people going fast on a road in driving conditions that they're not familiar with. These are drivers who aren't used to driving on ice. They're driving on a bridge. They know that it's slippery. They know that an accident is likely to happen. And all of that GM thinks is going to be to their advantage to convince a jury that the injuries here, the problem here, it was caused not by their cars, it was caused by people being negligent, people driving too fast when they shouldn't have been. So the big question in these cases is you get a ton of people suing GM, and GM's got to figure out what the value of those settlements are. And at the same time, the plaintiffs want to figure out what the value of those settlements are. Because if a jury hears this and juries think they're very, very gross, juries think that these are the kinds of cases where GM should be on the hook for a lot of money, then the settlement value is going to be very high. On the other hand, if these are the kinds of cases where juries listen to this and they think, well, there's so much going on in a car crash, there's so much that could be here aside from the failures in the GM ignition systems, then the settlement value will be much lower.